Alright, I made a stupid mistake. I scratched my wheel pretty bad, man. I need a new wheel to get it fixed. Just want to show you guys the before damage first. So you're gonna see after John finished fixing it, the after. I'm gonna do free advertising afterward for you. Oh, let's just spray it.
Like this, you see? That right there will never give no overspray on your car. Yeah, this is a special gun for that.
Man, that is tiny.
Huh?
That is tiny.
Yeah.
Let's take a closer look. John just got finished working. He blended in pretty much as best as he can, and can't really tell. Maybe look really close, you can see because there's an overlay of the same paint on top of this original paint. But if you guys needed to look for John, you can reach for him. And he come to you. That's the best part. So at the comfort of your own home. A silly mistake, but at least I learned something new. Alright, here's the recap. I got John to came out and repaired the wheel today. Can you guys see where the repair? Here's a closer look. Can you guys see? Well, this is where the damage originally was. It's from here. And it's all the way up here to like, I guess a third of the wheel. A careless mistake. But I just want to show you a closer detail look at it. It's pretty good. Yeah. Anyway, I'll put the detail in the information if you guys want to contact John. He's pretty good at it. He will come out to you. Overall, I'm happy with the product. I mean, with the work. It only took about an hour. And the best part is I don't have to go anywhere.